People often ask me, Joe, how do you use Google Sheets? Well, let me show you. If you go to Google Sheets, you can go to docs.google.com/spreadsheets or go to drive.google.com and you can open it up. You can start a new spreadsheet and then it'll say Untitled Spreadsheet. So we'll name the spreadsheet, call it example, and I like to put dates here. Example, and today is 5/4. And you press enter. If you star it, it'll star it. You can also save it to a place in your drive by clicking on this little folder, and you can move it into a folder. There are a little toolbar here. This has a lot of different options. And then there's a sub toolbar here as well. If you're looking for the filter button, here's the filter button right here. So now let's say you want to add something up, because this is a common thing people ask. So you'll be like, person, amount. Okay, so let's say person 1, person 2, person 3 spent 500, 756, and 998, and you want to add all this up. So what you'll do is you'll click on the little formula bar here, functions, and you'll do sum, and then it'll ask you, all right, what should I sum up? So it's equals sum, open parentheses, and then you can just click in here and drag down, and it'll say B2 through B4, and you press enter, and it does the calculation. And when you click on it, you can see what the formula is on top here. So it's saying calculate B2 through B4 together, and that's what it is. And that's how you make a simple formula. Let's say you want to use the filter button. You click on here, and you click the little filter button here, and you can easily filter for specific things. When you click the little drop down next to this little filter button, you can filter to remove all the blanks. So let me remove all the blanks here and just leave the 1, 2, 3. Press OK. It'll remove all the blanks in this little section here. See that? It removed any blanks. If you want to remove the 1s and the 2s and only leave the 3s, it'll remove the 1s and the 2s. Cool, right? You want to remove all the filters, you click on this filter again, it turns off all the filters and it's done. All right, so that's how you do it. If you want to remove columns, these are columns going down, these are rows going to the right. So if you want to remove a column, you can right click over here, press delete column. If you want to hide columns, you can select whatever columns you want to hide, and you can right click here and click hide columns. If you want to unhide the columns, click on this little icon here, and it unhides those columns. If you want to quickly select columns, you can click on the C, hold down the shift, and right, like that, till the end. You can right click and delete, and now you deleted all these extra columns. You want to delete all the rows, you click here, you click Control Shift and then down, select all 1000 columns, right click here, delete, and now you only have these columns here. See, only these rows and these columns. Every single row and every single column is called something. So this is A1, this is B1, this is A2, because it's A, column A, row 2. And so when you're making calculations, you can make calculations inside cells. Hopefully this was a useful tool for you to learn how to do. And there's a lot of really great things you can do with Google Sheets. And we have an entire section inside our course on how to use Google Sheets. If you want to learn more, just go to evyrgreen.com. That's evyrgreen.com. And we have a really great little course over here called the Evyrgreen Networking System. You click Learn More, and you can learn about what's included in this course, and we teach you how to use LinkedIn. One great example is how to export your connections into a dashboard. That's a spreadsheet. We teach you how to create all different types of dashboards. We teach you how to post, how to engage, how to message, how to use automation. We teach you how to get meetings, how to get credibility, how to get exposure. So if you want to check out this and all the different bonuses that we have to offer, go to evyrgreen.com and you can learn how to leverage LinkedIn. If you found this useful, please give this a like and share it with a friend. Have a wonderful day.